The clients are welcomed at the Portside. The buses are there to pick them up. Registration is done. And then we head to virgin coconut oil processing factory tour. The support staff and the uh, research officers demonstrate how virgin coconut oil is produced. Every step is being demonstrated to curious tourists. But interestingly, there is a finished product of the virgin coconut oil that is infused with different kinds of herbs and medicinal properties. The tourists get to buy what they want, what they like, soaps and oils. Quite a good amount of money spent on the coconut oil. And then there is a tour of the fish pond, professional tour fish expert explains how fish are fed. And then there is the tour of bow, which is nothing much to see except a few stream bend. And then we head to the tip of Papua New Guinea, EastCape. There's a very beautiful sight where you look towards the islands outside of the mainland, and then hungry tourists are driven back to Alotau where they eat at Masurina Lodge, the seafood basket. There is also a group photo because everyone is excited. All are full. After the seafood basket, we drive back to town and back to the port side.